Is that all the players got? Come on! I think you buried it. We'll give you a push back here. Give you a little push. To get a view from my camera.
My GoPro is dead.
There. Oh, this is tough. Jesus. Look at those. Holy Christ. Couldn't even budge you at all. You're on a rock or something. Oh, you're on a rock. Holy. Suck bad. Yeah, I think so. You're getting muddy, man. Muddy. Jeez. Whoa. On your hand. Don't get it muddy.
I told you to go the other way.
It wasn't bad going through, but once you had a couple bikes in there, it softened right up.
Lock it up.
It got soft pretty fast, that little stretch.
What's that?
We got soft pretty fast. There's no problem.
I remember last time we were here, we had...
Remember your Mozillas? That was awesome. Horse is heavy.
Start holding.
Now you don't want to also use your, because your clutch will engage 100%. Wow. You got a winch in your bike?
Yeah, it doesn't work though.
Oh.
We'll put it to a 3 here. Come on.
Don't get it muddy. Oh, it's going to get dirty now. Brand new cable. Fresh blue.
Okay. Yeah.
You're good, yeah. Oh!
That's good. Okay.
Oh, baby. Hop on and ride through. Yeah. Keep her coming. There, you're good now. Wasn't that big a rock you probably made it through? Huh? The bigger rock there you hung up on. We didn't even spin. Keep her going, keep her going. Polaris power. Oh yeah, don't go down there.
Oh, come on, I want to play one.
Sure. I got video. Come on through. That middle piece is gonna stop him cold. He dredges out pretty good, and the middle, like kunk. If he can get over the hump, keep it going, he'll be okay.
When he comes over that rock, he's got to give her.
Keep momentum going up. Oh! He's a girl. You need that 1,000. You got a big rock in the front.
Whoa!
You got a big. Hey, you got to give you a push over the hump. Yeah. Your front's got a big, massive rock in the way. Big ass rock.
Is there?
Your front's off the ground. Your two-wheel drive.
You're gonna have to wash her now. Fucking suck.
Oh, Visco lock, come on. Bogey power.
Okay. You gone?
You gone?